Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to automate appointment schedulings for salons via WhatsApp. If you own a salon, then manually scheduling all the appointments can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will schedule all the appointments and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the flow that I've created to automate appointment schedulings for salons via WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this amazing chatbot, let me show you how it works with the real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a keyword as book appointment. And as soon as we send this message, our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to our salon. What service would you like to book? Tap on the list below." So I'm going to tap on the list, and here it provides us all the service options as haircut, manicure, facial and massage with their given prices. So I'm going to select manicure and I'm going to send it. And now it is asking me to provide a preferred date for the appointment. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. Next, it is asking for preferred time. So here I'm going to send my preferred time like this. And then it is asking me for my full name. So here I'm going to send my full name as demo user. And then it is asking me to provide my contact number. So here I'm going to send a dummy response like this. And it says, "Demo user, your appointment is confirmed for given date at given time. Can't wait to have you at our salon." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for salon appointment bookings on WhatsApp via Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow, and then in our inbox section, Pabbly, here we can see the tag of appointment book, from where we can easily access the appointment bookings. So this is the chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you also want to create it, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. But before we begin, let me introduce you to Pabbly Community. This is our official Pabbly community. Here you can get exclusive access to real-time updates, helpful resources and support from your team and fellow users. Here you can share ideas, ask questions and even discover latest features and tips using Pabbly applications. Here you can get real-time updates, connect with industry experts and even ask questions and share valuable feedback. So join Pabbly community today. Now we can go back to main landing page. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. To create a new flow, simply access the flow features from here and then click on flows. To create a new flow, click on add flow. Initially our chat flow is named as untitled. Here we are going to rename it to something more relevant like automate appointment schedulings for salons via WhatsApp. Here we have a trigger module in which we have trigger event, keywords and regex. We will understand them one by one. So let's begin the procedure with trigger event. Here it says trigger the flow when a user's message matches any defined keyword or regex pattern. So when we click on it, we get number of options. Here we have selected keyword/regex. So whenever a keyword or regex matches user's initial message, our chatbots get activated. So now we are going to define some keywords which can activate the chatbot. So here I'm going to use keywords as book appointment. So here we have selected our first keyword as book appointment. Once you have typed your keyword, to register it, simply press enter and your keyword will be added here. Next keyword I'm using is salon treatment. I'm going to press enter and lastly I'm going to put schedule as a keyword. So here I've added these three keywords which can activate the chatbot. Now we have regex. Regex is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. This regex will activate the chatbot with any given keyword and for case sensitive regex, you can enable the toggle here. Now we are going to continue the process of scheduling the appointment and for that I'm going to access the list feature from here. You can also access the list feature from this message type notes here. If you want to select the list feature from here, you simply have to drag and drop the list feature wherever you want to place it. Or you can directly access the list feature from here. So I'm going to access from here and here I'm going to provide header as welcome to our salon. And here I'm going to enter the body, what service would you like to book? And then here I'm going to provide the footer, tap on the list below. And our list will appear like this to the user for now. And now we are going to provide list options. And for that, you have to click on this add section feature from here and then provide a title. Here I have created section title as choose a service. And now I'm going to add the items one by one. So here I'm going to add the first item as haircut. And in the description, I'm going to enter the price as rupees 500. Like this, and if you want to add multiple items, you have to simply click on add items and provide your service title and the description. So here I'm going to add another title and description. So here I've added 3 more titles such as haircut, manicure, facial and massage. And I have provided their prices in the description. Now, whenever the user chooses one of these options, we want to book their appointments. And for that, I'm going to access the text button. And for that, I'm going to ask several questions for appointment. And for that, I'm going to access action type notes. And then I'm going to drop a question box to ask a question. And here I'm going to add, please provide your preferred date for the appointment. And here I'm going to add these little asterisk signs because they are going to make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here we have contact custom fields. As the name suggests, they are custom fields that we can use to store a reply. To create a contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. And here, as we are asking for date, I'm going to access date as contact custom field. And as format, I'm going to select date. And now I'm going to link this question box to all the items in the list message so that we can book an appointment for them. Now I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to ask for preferred time. I'm going to add asterisk signs, and then in the contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Now once we have date and time of the appointment, we are going to ask for name and contact number. So for that, again I'm going to access the question box. So here I'm asking for full name. So I'm going to highlight the full name part, and then in the contact custom field I'm going to select name, and as format I'm going to select text. Now here you can see we have number of attempts. So you can provide multiple number of attempts. I'm going to provide 3 attempts. And I'm going to leave the validation message empty. You can provide a validation message if you want. Now I'm going to link it to the corresponding question box, and then I'm going to curate another question box. And lastly, I'm going to take the contact details such as please provide your contact number. And here I'm going to highlight the contact number part. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select contact, and as format, I'm going to select number. Now in the minimum field, you have to add 10 numbers, and in maximum field, you can add 10 numbers. Then I'm going to link it to the question box. Now once we have all the details, I'm going to add a tag. So I'm going to access this tag from here, and here we are going to curate a tag. So whenever we receive all these details, a tag is created. The purpose of adding a tag so that we can track the appointment booking. So here I'm going to create a tag for the name of salon appointment booked. And here this tag has been created successfully, which I'm going to select from here. Then I'm going to link it to the question box, and now lastly we are going to curate a confirmation message for the booking with the help of text button. You can also access the text button from here. You simply have to drag the text button in the place that you want it to be placed. So this is the message that I've added. Here I'm going to add asterisk signs for the name part. Here as you can see I have added $name because name was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user, and similarly for date and time they will be replaced by the actual date and time sent by the user. Here as you can see I have added this message where I have used $name because name was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user, and here similarly date and time will be replaced by the actual date and time used by the user. And lastly we have added can't wait to have you at our salon, and now I'm going to link it to this feature that we used. And this is how we have completed our chatbot for scheduling appointments for salons via WhatsApp. Now, if you also want to automate the process of appointment bookings, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save it from here. And once your flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.